Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Akanksha Gupta. First of all, um, uh, what I was in past, I want to introduce with myself first. Okay, I'm the person who's been very anxious all the time. I've been taking antidepressants, sleeping pills. I took many counseling sessions till date. The moment I joined April batch, I have changed completely. Before April 2022, I have always been anxious. I didn't had good sleep. I used to hallucinate my father. I used to hallucinate my friend who just attempted suicide. I had all negative things. मतलब लोगों के पास opportunity होती है, they see good things. I always think bad about it. कहीं पे कुछ चीज नेगेटिव जाती थी, I actually started attracting lots and lots of negativity with me.
And now?
And now the change is I don't take any antidepressant, no
Well,
sleeping pills.
well done.
Actually, doctors gave me the best possible highest dose of sleeping pills, and I actually slept only for 2 to 4 hours. Maximum sleep tha mera. But after April, matlab with the time since 2015 till date, I tried lot many things with meditation, healing music, sleep audios. I tried all of it. So वहां से I came down to 5 to 6 hours of sleep. But after April, actually, my family is shocked that I sleep straight for 7 to 8 hours.
Well done. Well
Straight 7 to 8 hours. I am calm and composed.